Launched a campaign dubbed the MPesa Sokoni Festival. The festival is meant to empower businesses across Kenya to grow smarter, faster and stronger. The event is taking place in Mombasa Sports Grounds, where my colleague Yolanda Mulwa is pitching tent with the details. Good afternoon, Yolanda. Happy to see you. Mombasa looks like it's bright and beautiful. But today we're talking about the Sokoni Festival. Bring us up to date.
Yolanda Mulwa, I host Shop.Dega live on KTN every 6:30 every Saturday, and I am live on location at the Mombasa Sports Grounds, Sports Club grounds, and I want to invite someone from Safaricom to come and flag off the MPesa Sokoni Festival, which just kick-started today. Come. It's Flavia Othim is her name. She'll tell you her designation and what to expect during the next coming week.
First of all, I'm so excited that we are finally here. M-Pesa turned 18 and here we are sharing this great milestone with our customers. So on ground today we have over 150 businesses, right? They're coming to, showcase their wares, that are interacting with their customers, and we are really grateful to these customers of ours, because if it wasn't for them, M-Pesa would never be where it is today. So on ground today we have, as I said earlier, 150 businesses. If you're at home, you need to come here. The discounts are almost up to 60%.
You need to cover charge?
Sorry?
Is there a cover charge?
There's no cover charge. It's free. So because this is us celebrating with our customers, so everyone is welcome. It's a family fun day as well. So please bring your kids out. And for Safaricom, I think the most important thing is this is also what we're calling our Safaricom platform, Grow in Action, because Safaricom business has 3 pillars. We talk about technology, we talk about people, and we talk about knowledge. So here is actually where it all culminates. So I'd love to invite everyone to just come all and be part of this fantastic festival today.
Thank you so much, Flavia. So I'm going to be hosting the show live on location at 6:30 p.m. Remember, you can catch all the action on KTN. And of course, if you're listening or you're watching from home, remember that you can also shop. We're going to be having a QR code so that you can shop. And Standard Courier is going to make sure they deliver all your merchandise, whatever you buy anywhere across this country, within 48 hours, courtesy of Standard Courier. So come on ground, shop. Of course, the festivities are going to be going on throughout the evening. So just come through. There's food, there's live entertainment, there's DJs. And if you interact with our posts, we're going to be giving you airtime, courtesy of Safaricom Business. And of course, Shop.Dega, the e-commerce platform to plug and shop. So see you there. Thank you so much, Aseto. Back to you in studio. Ask Kaiser.
Yolanda Mulwa there joining us from Mombasa, saying join her every day on Shop.Dega to be able to shop and make sure that it gets to you within 24 hours, because then again 48 hours Standard Courier will ensure that you get your product on time. Now, over 2,900 households in Kwanza constituency are said to benefit from a 214 million shillings rural